Hey there, Louis Acabels here. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a message to be sent at a later time in Slack. Now, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date on the latest tutorials that I publish. Now let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, now we'll start off by looking at how to schedule a message in the Slack desktop application. Now you can see here that I've clicked into an existing chat. Next, you want to go ahead and enter the message that you would like to schedule. In this case, I've just pasted a message here. Next, you want to scroll over to the send button and you want to click on the drop-down arrow. And you can see as I hover my cursor over it, a tooltip pops up that reads schedule for later. When you click on this, it is going to give you some quick schedule options. So you can see here, I can schedule this for later today, or I can schedule this for the beginning of the week, Monday at 9 a.m. If you'd like to set a custom time, you can go ahead and click on that option here. And that's going to bring up the schedule message window where you can select your date. So I'll select tomorrow. And again, you can also set your time by clicking into the time field. Now I will leave this at 9 a.m. Once you're ready to schedule your message, you want to go ahead and click schedule message. And this message has been scheduled. Now, if you want to change, delete, or cancel a scheduled message, there are two ways that you can do that. First, you can click on this hyperlink, or you can just navigate to the drafts and sent at the very top of the navigation pane on the left-hand side of the interface. And when you click into drafts and sent, you're going to see here this tab that says scheduled. When you click on this tab, this is going to show you a list of all of the messages that you have scheduled in Slack. Now, really important messages will only show up here if they have not been sent yet. Now you can see here the message that we scheduled to be sent tomorrow at 9 a.m. Now, once you hover your cursor over the message, you have a few different options. You can edit the message, and that's going to bring you back into the direct message with that recipient where you can actually amend the content. Now I'll just click back into drafts and sent and click on schedule again. Again, when you hover your cursor over the message, you can also reschedule the message. So if I click on this button, it will allow me to change the delivery date and time. I'll click cancel. And you also have the option to go ahead and send this message immediately if you've changed your mind and you want to send the message right away. Now, if you click on the more actions button, you'll also notice that you can cancel the schedule and save the message to drafts. So that means that if you click this option, it is not going to deliver the message on the scheduled date and time, but rather it's going to put it here in this drafts tab. And last but not least, you also have the option to delete the message altogether if you decide that you no longer want to deliver the message. Next, we're going to take a look at how you can schedule a message from the Slack mobile application. All right, now you can see here that I am accessing the Slack mobile app on an Android device. Now I've opened up my direct chat again and I've typed in my message. Now to go ahead and schedule a message from the mobile app, what you want to do is you want to long press the send button. Now you can see here after long pressing the send button, it is going to bring up a similar looking schedule message menu where you can use one of the quick schedule options or you can select a custom time. I'll go ahead and click custom time and I will go ahead and send this again on Thursday at 7 a.m. Now, once you're ready to schedule the message, you want to click on the schedule message button and you can see here that the message has been scheduled. Now, if you want to amend a scheduled message or delete it or change the delivery date, you want to navigate back to the Slack mobile app. And again, in the navigation menu, you want to click on drafts and sent, and you want to click into the scheduled tab. And again, just like we saw in the desktop application, you can easily click into any of your scheduled messages and you can edit them. Or if I go back, if you want to again change the date and time or delete this from the mobile app, this time you want to long press on the message. And you can see here as I long pressed on that message, I can edit it, I can reschedule it, I can cancel it and save it to drafts, or I can delete it altogether. So that's it. In this tutorial, I showed you how you can schedule a message from the Slack desktop and mobile application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tutorials that I publish. I'm Louis Yacobelis. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.